want to show you an asymmetrical, wispy short hairstyle. I select these two Vern scissors specifically, using a slanting texturizing technique to work on the hair roots. It can adjust the hair volume evenly and make the hair look more voluminous, particularly at the top of the hairstyle, to create a more dimensional look. With a simple two-layer hair sectioning, I select Vern Texturizing Scissors 6EB, along with Vern Styling Scissors 6EE. Using a texturizing to cut technique, I trim the length of this hairstyle. I'm using Vern both-handed faultless cutting technique to make the hair flow and hair cutting operation smoother on both sides. Trim the second layer connectedly, following the first layer as a guideline. This combination of tools and cutting techniques makes it simple and easy to present a perfect contour line. Combining two Vern cutting scissors 6V to trim the bangs and the contours on both sides, enhancing depth and dimension of the facial features. These two scissors, used for trimming the hair ends at the top area, also produce excellent results. Using Vern Styling Scissors 6ED for slanting texturizing, making the wispy effect of the hairstyle more visible. The unique design of Vern Styling Scissors can create a natural sense of space and a wispy effect, making the hairstyle more perfect. After the hairstyle is completed, a gentle hand flick emphasizes the lines, making the hairstyle more noticeable and natural. It's truly a perfect look.
Welcome to leave a comment. Hit the like, share, subscribe buttons, and click the bell to receive notifications of latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. You wanna buy Vern scissors? Get more details in description.